up, everybody? Joe here with Good Old Scratch Custom Apparel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. This is a quick video just because today officially is the first day of fall, which means Halloween's around the corner.
How does Samuel's view of fate differ from that of Costain's, Rory?
Yay! It's my favorite holiday. Yay! You get to be creative. Yay! It's so awesome. And I thought this would be a fun video to do because I got a customer that sent me a ton of really cool Halloween themed transfers, which got me in the Halloween spirit. So I'm just going to share the experience with printing these, show you guys what they look like, and we'll talk about it in the end. How cool is that? All that artwork was done, I believe, and bought off of Etsy. So that's how easy it is to get these files printed off of a DTF setup. The results were fantastic. Transfers were easily cut down to size. Customer was super happy with the results. Obviously, there's endless possibility that you can do to get yourself prepared for this wonderful holiday spirit. And if you want to start customizing your own Halloween gear or get into that horror theme, you can print that off on your own DTF setup. If you are looking for that, check out the link that's in the description. If you want me to do any custom transfers for you, also leave a comment and I will get back to you, I promise. I will be working on the landing page so you can go to that, make it a little bit easier. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If there's anything specific you want to see, let me know in the comments as well. You guys take care and keep being a rock star.
I was thinking quite a lot about one thing in particular.